Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. Alright, so right now I'm looking at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, and this is on Coinbase. They're the Coinbase Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, and we're on the 4-hour time frame right now. I've talked about this in one of my last videos about Ethereum in this down channel, something like this, and when we break this channel going to the upside, I think that's going to be a good sign for Ethereum. We actually broke that going to the upside right now, and I think that might be a good sign. Let's see how far it can go up. Right here we got a small little break to the upside, and then it started going down again. Is it going to do that again? Is it going to go up and then just start coming down again? Or is it going to really start picking up some momentum and start a good uptrend like we had over here, where we had, I don't know, something like that. And then when we broke that to the downside, then we started looking at the other, started looking at Bitcoin. But for now, on this chart, if Bitcoin is going, I mean, if this chart is going up, then Ethereum is doing better than Bitcoin. And if this chart is going down, then Bitcoin is doing better than Ethereum. And you want to be in Bitcoin, you want to be in Ethereum in those two situations. So right now, we are breaking this trend going to the upside, which means we might want to think about Ethereum right now. But like I said, are we going to get a small little pump, or are we going to get a nice little run? Even right here was a nice little one. If we zoom out a little bit, let's go to the daily time frame. There is also resistance. We have resistance, 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 resistance. We've already kind of broke that. I mean, you can drag that trend a little bit closer here, but we weren't able to actually break through on these ones. In general, I think if we could break this trend line right here, going to the upside, then that's going to be really good for Ethereum. Just my opinion. We had this bottom right here. In my last video, I was talking about how we're kind of approaching that bottom, and it looks like we might have got a bounce right there. So let's see what's going to happen with Ethereum, especially compared to Bitcoin. I think this is a really good chart to watch. And if we switch over to the Ethereum chart, let's just take a look at Ethereum real quick. We have this uptrend right here, and we broke it going sideways right here. But that might have just been a little fake out, and we're still bouncing in between these tops. And actually we broke it just now, and then these bottoms, we have a triangle pattern, and then we just broke it right now, a couple hours ago, should I say. And right now we're breaking it. I think the targets that I'd be looking at for this triangle pattern, well, we have possibly a triangle pattern or a bull flag pattern or a pennant pattern. Let's go ahead and do the triangle pattern first. Drag from the bottom to the top, something like that. Drag that to the breakout, and I'm looking at a target of around 3,692, which is very conservative. Or if we try to do the bull flag pattern, if you're bullish about it, maybe something like that. Drag from the bottom of the pole to the top of the pole, and then drag that to the breakout, and that looks like a target of around 3,889 approximately. So yeah, those are the two things that I'm kind of looking at, or like next. And then I also think if we could break this level, then the next level would be the top, which is sitting at around 4,087, approximately 4,089, somewhere around there. Yeah, so I just wanted to put this on your radar. The main point of the video is that we are breaking on we're breaking this downtrend, or we broke the downtrend on the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. Let's see if that momentum can keep going, or if it's going to just be a quick win and then go back down, and Bitcoin's going to outperform Ethereum again. All right, if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, and then I will see you in the next one.